Did you know that the mountain rain and spring blossom smell of laundry detergent is there to cover the smell of petrochemicals, which is most likely carcinogenic? A recent study by the University of Washington reveals that 99% of laundry detergents release cancer-causing chemicals that are legally hazardous and toxic. But what if there's a safer and more effective way to do your laundry? Introducing Magnetic Laundry System. Now you can get your clothes cleaned without a single drop of toxic laundry detergent by simply using this patented magnetic technology. It cleans just as well as the laundry detergents, and it lasts a lifetime with a 50-year manufacturer's warranty. Not only does it save you money by buying harmful detergents, it also helps you conserve water and save on hydro bills. No damage to the colors or the tensile strength of your fabrics, but tough on dirt. Just stick the blue balls in your washing machine. It's that easy. Don't wait another minute. Click the link below or visit magneticonline.org. Get yours now.